Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start Unit 8 Factors and Multiples, and in this unit we are going to study about divisibility test of 2, 3, 5, 10 and 11. First of all, we will test the divisibility by 2, whether a particular number is divisible by 2 or not. How can we find? If the number is even, that is, it ends in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, we say that the given number is divisible by 2. If any number ends with even number, then we can say that that number is divisible by 2. For an example, 26. 26 ends with an even number, that is 6. So 6 is an even number. We can say that 26 is divisible by 2. Now let's test the divisibility of 3. If the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, we say that the given number is divisible by 3. For testing the divisibility by 3, we have to sum up all the digits of the given number. If the sum is divisible by 3, then we can say a particular number is divisible by 3. For an example, 384. 384, we have to sum up the digits. 3 plus 8 plus 4, it comes 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 15 3 के टेबल में आता है, तो 15 is divisible by 3. Next comes to divisibility by 5. If the number ends in 5 or 0, we say that the given number is divisible by 5. If any number one's place is 0 or 5, or we can say it if it ends with 0 or 5, we can say that a number is divisible by 5. For example, 525 at one's place, or 525 ends with 5. So 5, if it ends with 5, then we can say 525 is divisible by 5. Next example, 330. 330, it's one's place or it ends with 0. We can say that this number is divisible by 5. Now, next comes to divisibility by 10. If the number ends in 0, we say that the given number is divisible by 10. If its one's place is 0, then that number is divisible by 10. For example, 8620, it's one's place or it ends with 0. Then we can say this number is divisible by 10. Right? Now, we have to check a number whether it is divisible by 11 or not. How can we? A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sums of the alternate digits is 0 or a multiple of 11. Now, this we can understand by an example. Example is 3729. This is the number. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. So, we have to sum up the alternate digits. So, first we have to sum up 7 plus 9. First digit, leave its first digit, second and fourth digit को add किया हमने, ठीक है. Then we have to sum up first number and third number digit. 7 plus 9 and 3 plus 2. We have sum up these digits. What is the sum? That is 16 and 5. Now we have to find the difference of these digits. 16 minus 5, we will get 11. So, if its difference is 11 or 0, we can say that this number is divisible by 11. we can take one more example, that is 4576. So first we have to take first alternate digits, that is 4 plus 7, right? It comes 11. Then we take 5 plus 6. फर्स्ट नंबर एंड थर्ड नंबर को ऐड किया, देन सेकेंड नंबर एंड फोर्थ नंबर की डिजिट को ऐड किया, वी गॉट 11. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड देयर डिफरेंस. 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. So if its difference is 0 and in other example our difference is 11, if its difference is 11 or 0, then we can say that a particular number is divisible by 11. Now next comes to next topic, that are natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The set of numbers that is start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they all are natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1 to till infinite. कहीं तक भी हो सकते हैं, 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं, they are known as natural number. Natural number we can divide in two parts. They can be of two parts. First one is prime numbers and second one is composite numbers. Any given number has 1 and itself as its factor. Now let's talk about prime numbers. First we take some example. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Right? Then when we check the factor of 11, it is also 1 and 11. Now the factors of 17 and 1 are 17. Factors of 17 are 1 and 17. So they all are prime numbers. How can we say that they are prime numbers? Prime numbers are natural numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. जिस नंबर के only two factors होते हैं, कौन कौन से होते हैं वो two factors? Either 1 and the number itself. Like 3 के कौन कौन से factors हैं? 1 and 3. Right? 3 के बस 2 फैक्टर्स हो सकते हैं. 3 सिर्फ 1 के टेबल में आता है और 3 के टेबल में आता है. सो 3 इज अ प्राइम नंबर बिकॉज इट हैज ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स. और वो 2 फैक्टर्स भी कौन कौन से हैं? 1 एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ. दोज नंबर्स आर नोन एज प्राइम नंबर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19, they all are prime numbers. Now let's talk about composite numbers. What are composite numbers? Let's we take some example. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 6 किस किस के टेबल में आता है? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Then the factors of 14 are 14 is divisible by 1, 2, 7 and 14. Then the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. They all are composite numbers. How can they all are composite numbers? So we can say composite numbers are natural numbers that have more than 2 factors. The numbers which have more than 2 factors are known as composite numbers. Because in above example, all the numbers have more than 2 factors. That's why they all are composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 and 15 and so on. They all are the example of composite numbers. Children, that's all in this video. If you have any problem, any doubt, you can ask. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.